Hello everyone, my name is David Tucker and welcome to the course AWS Cloud Development Kit, The Big Picture. I'm a CTO consultant and I help organizations plan, build, and implement custom software solutions in the cloud. I have over 15 years of experience in software architecture and development. Now, managing cloud infrastructure at scale can be error-prone and time-consuming, especially without the right tools. In this course, you'll learn how to leverage the Cloud Development Kit or CDK from AWS to manage your infrastructure. First, you'll explore the concept of infrastructure as code and understand its benefits. Next, you'll discover how the CDK enables infrastructure as code while also deeply integrating into AWS. Finally, you'll learn how to install the CDK and deploy a sample application onto AWS. When you're finished with this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge of the CDK needed to start launching your own infrastructure on AWS utilizing infrastructure as code.